Hello everyone, I'm Sanjeevi from SNS College of Technology. I'm going to take a business model canvas on the topic of Pyka. So what's Pyka? Pyka is an companies we have analyzed in the softwares like Y Combinator, and we have particularly selected the Pyka company for our project resources. Like our project is about Ragnar Pinat, composite materials. We are creating a composite materials using natural fibers called sugar palm, particularly called Aragna pinnata. So it's a base company. We are trying to solve a problem in that particular area. So I'll present the business model canvas for Pyka, a company that's redefining aviation through autonomous electrical aircrafts. So let's go through each part of the canvas to understand how Pyka operates, creates values, and serves its customers. Introduction, and yeah, let's start with the introduction. Pyka is an innovative aerospace company. Pyka is an innovative aerospace company that redefining the what electrical aircraft can do. Headquartered in Oakland, California, Pyka is building fully autonomous electrical airplanes for tasks like crop spraying and cargo transport. So it's a particularly based on also the agricultural usages. So moving on to the value propositions, the first stage in the business model canvas, what makes Pyka stand out? Pyka offers zero emission autonomous aircraft that reduce the human risk and operational costs. For agricultural clients, the Pelican Spray aircraft enables precise automated crop spraying faster and more efficiently than manned aircraft. So manned aircraft has a costly method. So the alternative process are going on through uh, these innovations, and now with their Pelican cargo plane, Pyka is offering a clean, cost-effective solution for the short-haul freight, especially in remote or undeserved regions. Undeserved regions, yeah, it's a nice answer for the autonomy, affordability, and sustainability in one package. So let's move on to the customer segments. Customer segments expecting the PICOS customers includes large-scale agricultural operators, governments, humanitarian organizations, and cargo logistics providers. The company also works with clients in regions where traditional aviation is too expensive or dangerous. And now into the channels, how Pyka reaches its customers, how they have the customer interaction, how they can interact with the customers. Pyka operates through direct sales and partnerships. Their online presence, demo videos, air shows, industry conferences, and media coverage, all helps their industrial promotions. It's an awareness for the agriculturalists, governments to know about the particular products, or particular company Pyka. It's a branding, also it's known as a branding. So coming to the customer relationships, how Pyka manages the engagement. The company builds strong relationships through personalized onboarding training for operators and maintains the maintenance support. Since their plans are autonomous, Pyka emphasizes reliability and customer education. So next, let's examine the revenue streams. What are the revenue streams Pyka have? Pyka earns revenue by selling its aircraft and associated software. It's the main earnings for that particular company. So let's moving on to the key resources. What are the resources they are extracting from, and where they have extracting the resources? Pyka's most important assets includes its proprietary technologies in electrical propulsion and autonomous flight systems and aircraft designs. Their engineering team, IP portfolio, manufacturing facility, and regulatory clearance are also critical. These allow Pyka to innovate and stay ahead in the market. Let's talk about the key activities. Core operations include the aircraft design, software development, flight testing, regulatory compliances, and etc. These are the key activities they are done in their particular companies and all, etc. Now on the key partnerships. What are the partnerships Pyka have? Pyka collaborates with the suppliers for electrical motors and batteries. They need the electrical motors and batteries in external source, not they are own manufacturing the particular motors and batteries. Government bodies for regulatory approval and logistics on or agricultural companies for testing and development. So it also needs the agricultural companies for testing and development. For testing means they want to test their output products. So that's why they are need for the agricultural companies. And finally, the cost structure. What are the cost structure Pyka following? Like major costs include R&D, research and development, aircraft manufacturing, compliance testing. Testing is the external source. They are a need for the external source like agricultural companies. So they have to spend more on um, uh, s- yeah, they have to spend more on testing and hiring expert talent. Why they are experts, like hiring experts means they need the precision in their work due to the aircraft works like aircraft is basically a particular precision making accurate work. So they need hiring the expert talent and infrastructure setup. Their infrastructure setup, they needs to pay some bills, etc., wages, and so on. Since Pyka is a deep tech hardware company, prototyping and certifications are expensive. So marketing after sales service and scaling production also contribute to overall costs. Their marketing, branding, promoting, so it's all of the cost structure they are having in that particular cost structure. So it's the stages we have covered in Pyka. So in the continuous R&D, I will update about the updated R&D in like updated BMC for this particular company in the next video. Thank you.